Guess what, guys? We got a Goodwill Blue Box. It is the Thrifty Apparel Box, and to make it better, this is a collab video. Battle of the Jennifers, I guess. I don't know. Which Jen got the better box? So this is a collab with my friend over on the other side of North Carolina, Dr. Jennifer. And she wanted an excuse to get this box. And I will gladly always give anyone an excuse to do a collab video. So if you ever need an excuse to get a ThredUp box or a Goodwill Blue Box, I'll be your excuse. I will collab with you. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer and I'm an online reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, ThredUp, and Facebook Marketplace. I do thrift hauls, unboxings, and every 2 weeks I do a what sold, showing everything that sold for me from these thrift hauls and unboxings. So this is a Goodwill Blue Box, the Thrifty Apparel Box, and you get 10 pieces, but sometimes you get more. Most of the time you get more. So anyway, $14.99, $5 shipping, taxes $1.40, so total is $21.39. So if I did get the 10 items, it would come out to $2.13 to 14 cents an item. I have done really good with these boxes, but I've also got a lot of duds. But that's what you get for a mystery box. Let's dig in. Here's a quick little glimpse. All right, interesting. First up, Style & Co. The tag is stuck. Size large. This is 100% nylon. Okay. At first I thought it was a skirt, and then I realized there's like butterfly sleeves up here. Okay. So this is what you have, the little, what, bat wing sleeve you would call it. This boho-y. Yeah, this is actually pretty. That's not bad. Colors are good. Not bad. And we got new with tags. Classic fashion. Small, medium. Retailed for a whopping $7. It's classic fashion. Looks like some leggings that you can tell are not the best. Not the best at all. Pretty sure. Huh. Well, I mean, they're not sheer. You can't really see my hand, so I don't know. That's a plus. Next, this is pretty heavy. Ooh, now you gotta see sparkles. Lots of sparkles. Alright, let's see. This is a speechless.
Which is different than speckless. Or have I been looking at that tag thinking it's speckless? I'm gonna have to check that out for me.
This is a size 3, so I'm assuming that it's vanity sizing or junior sizing. I don't know. Ooh, this is like a prom dress. It's got these cutouts. Look at that sparkle. It's cut out on both sides. It's like a, what do you call this? A halter, even though it doesn't really go around the neck. It is a high-low dress. So it's pretty short on the front and then way long in the back. And the all-important pockets. Zips up in the back. This is actually cute. It's got a couple, sorry, it's got a couple small little pulls, but other than that, it looks to be in good shape. So, that's not bad. It's not bad. All right, Miracle USA. Small, medium, and it is this crochet. It looks torn around the neckline, but I'm pretty sure it looks like it was made like that. but it's this crochet sweater. Open knit. Miracle. I'll have to look that up. Never heard of that. I think that'll sell well. It's cute. Oh yeah. New tags from Walmart. We got a Esport fanny pack. Oh yeah. It was on sale for $2. So it has the detachable waist strap, extends belt to 60 inches. So it's cool that it's new tags. Definitely won't get much for it, considering it sold for $2. But we'll see. Ooh, okay. So it's new with tags, but it's got stuff in the bottom of it. Oh, but the gel pack thing busted open. Okay, we're gonna close that so none of that pops out of there. So, alright. That's random. Usually I just get clothing. I don't know how I feel about getting that. Okay, so Workshop Republic clothing, size large, 97% modal. Modal is super soft, and it sure is. Ooh, I like this. Oh, and it's got a cute little, what is that, asymmetric faux wrap looking, yeah, it doesn't come apart, faux wrap front. All right, I love, love, love this. Definitely sell that. Not bad. Notations clothing, size 16. All white with satin trim. Got the shoulder pads. So this is definitely vintage. And the buttons also have the cloth over them, or fabric. 60% cotton. I don't know what I'll do with that. I don't think that's worth a lot. Not get too much for that. Haggar clothing, extra, extra large. Not a brand I pick up. This is a good size. I do have several polos, all different brands, that are extra, extra large that I might just lot up and sell as one big lot. Another Style & Co. size large. Oh, I kind of like this. It's pink. And it's like abstract. Oh, I don't like that though. I don't like my arms are so big. I have linebacker arms. So broad that I'm not a big fan when the sleeves have any type of, I don't know, that aren't just loose, like t-shirts, all day long t-shirts. This is cute. I probably won't keep it. I'll probably sell that. Honestly, I don't need more clothes. Okay, Calvin Klein 2X. It's a good size. It is a black, very pretty blue floral 3/4 sleeve blouse. Whoop. I like the colors. I like the blue on here. I like that one. Two more. We have H&M, size medium. This feels like a sleep shirt, but it's like, I don't know, a pale pink mauve background with white floral shirt. Again, 3/4 sleeve, Henley. I feel like this is a sleep shirt. Oof. And last but not least, New York and Company, size medium. I don't think I've ever seen that tag. This is adorable. Oh man. So we got a sleeveless white eyelet peplum lacy detail. All the keywords. This is adorable. I really like this. If this was a large, I would probably consider keeping this. But 'tis not. So, let's count. That is it. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. So it's more than 10, so below $2 cost of goods. It wasn't the best box, but there were a few cool, good pieces in here, and some that I'm interested in looking up. I do not believe that I'm going to lose any money on this box, but I'm also curious to see what Jennifer got. So what was your favorite item in this box? Don't forget to go check out Jennifer's video. I will have it linked down below. If you are not subscribed to her, you should, because she's hilarious. I love her videos. Make sure you go over and watch her video, and then after, come back and put down in comments who got the better box. And if you're coming over from her channel, and I hope you stick around. I want to thank Jennifer for doing this collab with me, and I have a feeling that there will be more collabs with her in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing on your way out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.